Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Dear students, today I will teach you class 10 subject science topic types of chemical reaction. In last video I taught you about characteristics of chemical reaction and how to balance chemical reaction. आई थिंक आप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा कि केमिकल रिएक्शन को कोई भी इक्वेशन आपको दिया गया है, कोई भी वर्ड रिएक्शन आपको दिया है तो वर्ड में से कैसे उसको सिंबॉलिक रिएक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है एंड सिंबॉलिक रिएक्शन में आफ्टर दैट कन्वर्जन you have to balance the chemical reaction. For that some basic needs you should know, the symbols of elements, valency of elements and how to convert from word equation to symbolic equation. Okay, so if you have any doubt in that, please contact me. Now we are moving forward to the types of chemical reaction. Total there are 4 types: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So now we are starting from combination reaction. The word combination, it defines itself. Combination, combine, what do you mean by that? कि कोई भी दो चीज़ सेपरेट है उसको हम एक बना रहे हैं. That means we combine two different things and we are making one combination. So in the types of chemical reaction, if I have two different kind of reactants, okay, reactants that means जो react करते हैं वो, तो that two reactants after some chemical reaction they will produce one single product. जो एक product बनेगी that is called combination reaction. So the basic rule of combination reaction is we need two reactants that will produce only one product. Sometimes with this one product heat can be produced. Let us take a simple example. Take a beaker. Add some calcium oxide which is quicklime. Calcium oxide, quicklime. Now after this add some water. This calcium oxide will react with water. What we will observe, क्या होगा? Calcium oxide, you know about calcium oxide? Okay? White color का आता है जो हम वॉल पे वॉश करने के लिए यूज करते, बट डायरेक्टली नॉट, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दिस कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी विल ऐड वाटर इनटू दिस कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड we will observe the surface of this beaker become hot. That means the temperature of beaker will increase. इसके अंदर जो भी एक प्रोडक्ट बनी है उसका टेम्परेचर कैसा होगा? इंक्रीज. नाउ इफ आई वांट टू राइट दिस इक्वेशन इन chemical reaction in word or equation form, I will write calcium oxide plus water, it will produce calcium hydroxide which is slaked lime. Okay, now this calcium oxide, it is in the form of solid, your water it is in the form of liquid, and this calcium hydroxide which is in the form of aqueous. Okay, now let us check that either this equation is balanced or not. calcium 1 on right hand side, left hand side 2 hydrogen are there, right hand side 2 hydrogen are there, left hand side 1 plus 1 2 oxygen is there are there, and right hand side 2 oxygen are there. So this equation is balanced. Now here we have to observe that how many reactants are there? 2, 1 and 2, before arrow reactants, after arrow product. How many products? 1. Okay. So in which equation or in which chemical reaction, if 2 reactants they are reacting and they are producing one single product, that kind of chemical reactions are called combination reaction. Okay. So if you want to note down definition of combination reaction, you can write a chemical reaction in which all students please write down this definition. A chemical reaction in which 2 or more substances combine to form a new substance is called a combination reaction. Again I am explaining, जो भी रिएक्शन के अंदर 2 रिएक्टेंट एंड 1 प्रोडक्ट होती है, ऐसे रिएक्शन को हम कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. नाउ अभी थोड़ा रह गया है ये एक्सप्लेन करना कि अगर हमारे पास कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड है, उसके अंदर हमने वाटर ऐड किया है तो दैट विल प्रोड्यूस कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, बट उसके साथ हमारा बीकर भी हीट हुआ है. दैट मीन्स उसके अंदर जो सॉल्यूशन है, जो एक्वस है, उसका टेम्परेचर भी इंक्रीज हुआ है. दैट मीन्स हीट प्रोड्यूस हुई है. सो दैट ऑल्सो आपको यहाँ पे मेंशन करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज हीट इज ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस. अब आप यहाँ पे सोचेंगे कि यहाँ पे तो 2 प्रोडक्ट है. नो, प्रोडक्ट एक ही है, जो सॉल्यूशन बन रहा है वो ओनली सिंगल है, बट उसके साथ क्या प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? हीट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जिस केमिकल रिएक्शन में कोई प्रोडक्ट के साथ अगर हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है, दैट काइंड ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एक्सोथर्मिक केमिकल रिएक्शन. ओके, सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, व्हेन हीट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग, that kind of reactions are called exothermic reaction. I am giving you the another example of this combination reaction, which is H2 plus O2. It will form H2O. Okay, then you can write natural gas, that is methane, which is burns in air. That will form carbon dioxide and water. So here these are the example of your combination reaction. The another example, that carbon plus oxygen, that will form carbon dioxide. So क्लियर अबाउट केमिकल रिएक्शन. जिस रिएक्शन के अंदर कितने रिएक्टेंट्स है? 2 रिएक्टेंट्स, यानी कि याद रखने के लिए एरो के पहले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2 एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए एंड एरो के बाद राइट हैंड साइड कितने एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए? 1. ओके, सो 2 रिएक्टेंट एंड 1 प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड combination reaction. Clear about this combination reaction? Now dear students, I am giving you another example that the respire process, जो हम respiration process हमारी body में होती है, that is also one kind of exothermic process. How? जो भी हमारी respiration process है, हम जो oxygen we are taking inside and carbon dioxide we are removing. So that is also one kind of example of exothermic reaction. How? So in that also we are producing heat. I am writing that example on board. If you want to note down that example, you can write that glucose that is enter in our body in the form of food plus oxygen that will produce carbon dioxide plus water and energy. So here energy is produced, that means it is exothermic process. Now you are thinking कि ये energy कहाँ जा रही है? With the help of this energy you all can do your work. Daily routine में आप जो भी work कर रहे हो वो आपको कहाँ से मिलता है? So whatever food you are eating, that food that stored in your body in the form of this glucose, oxygen you are taking from plants, that will convert this oxygen into carbon dioxide that you are releasing, water that you are using in your body, and energy. With this energy you can do your work. Okay, so clear about this combination reaction. Now one extra information I want to give you that जब भी आपके पास कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड है, आप उसके अंदर वाटर ऐड करते हो. अगेन आई एम राइटिंग ऑन बोर्ड, calcium oxide plus water that will produce calcium hydroxide. Okay, now this calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime, this is quick lime. Okay, now slaked lime जो है वो कौन से फॉर्म में है? एक्वस फॉर्म में. Okay, now this slaked lime that will react with calcium hydroxide. When it will react with carbon dioxide, that will again form calcium carbonate. यानी कि वॉल के ऊपर हम जो वाइट वॉश यूज करते हैं, that is slaked lime, when it will connect or when it will come into the contact of carbon dioxide, what will happen? That will create or produce calcium carbonate. तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट जो है वो क्या वर्क करता है? तो वो आपकी सरफेस, अब वॉल की सरफेस पे जो ये स्लेक्ड लाइन बना है उसको 1 और 2 डेज के बाद उसकी सरफेस जो है वो शाइनी बन जाती है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इट वाज एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन and I explained you combination reaction. Now the next topic, that is second type of reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Now this word it explain itself, decomposition. इससे पहले वाला था उसमें क्या था? कॉम्बिनेशन, यानी कि 2 रिएक्टर्स दे विल प्रोड्यूस 1 सिंगल प्रोडक्ट, दोनों मिक्स होके एक न्यू बना रहे थे. नाउ इन दिस decomposition we have 1 single reactant and it will produce another product which are more than 1. Okay, so in this also, if you want to note down the definition, you can write a chemical reaction in which a chemical reaction in which a substance breaks down to produce one or more simpler substances is called decomposition. Reaction. Dear students, the meaning of this definition, a chemical reaction in which a substance break down to produce, कोई एक substance है वो break down यानी कि वो टूट के one or more substances is called, दूसरे substances produce कर रहा है, ओके. बट आपके पास कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसमें से कुछ दूसरा आपको प्रोड्यूस करना है तो कुछ ना कुछ आपको प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. So for that sometimes we need to provide heat. So dear students, in which chemical reaction if we are providing heat to any chemical reaction, that is called endothermic reaction, and in the chemical reaction in which heat is releasing or produced, that is called exothermic. So clear about exothermic and endothermic, that are based on heat, and here we are talking about decomposition reaction. The example of decomposition reaction you can write, okay, let us take one activity which is given in your textbook, that take a test tube, take some ferrous sulfate. In the test tube, the color of ferrous sulfate, it is green. After heating that, you can observe that the color of ferrous sulfate, it will change, and from that the odor which is coming, that means smell which is coming, which is also changed, that means that bitter smell will come, okay. So I am writing that example, that ferrous sulfate 2FeSO4 after applying heat, ferrous sulfate है जो ग्रीन कलर का था, उसको हमने टेस्ट ट्यूब में लिया, देन उसको गर्म किया, दैट मीन्स हीट प्रोवाइड की, तो उसके अंदर से आपको मिल रहा है फेरिक ऑक्साइड, दैट इज Fe2O3 प्लस sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, both are in the form of gas. This ferric oxide which is in the form of solid, and your ferrous sulfate which is also in the form of solid. So here remember one thing, that ferrous sulfate which is having green color, after heating the color of ferrous sulfate that will change, that will also produce two kind of gases, which is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, and the odor, smell of these gases, it will be changed. So dear students, जिसके अंदर जिस chemical reaction में एक reactant, that means before arrow एक ही reactant है, और after giving heat or any other, it will produce more than one product, that kind of reaction is called decomposition reaction. So in this session I taught you two types of chemical reaction. One is combination chemical reaction and the another one is decomposition chemical reaction, and the other two are the exothermic, in which heat is produced, the another one it is endothermic, in which we have to apply heat. Okay, so here two kind of chemical reactions are completed. Now another 2 are left that I will explain you next video. And today's homework, page number 15 in your textbook, exercise question number 8, in which write the chemical balance equation for the following and identify the type of chemical reaction. 4 examples are there. From that you can identify the types of chemical reaction. Thank you. Jai Shri Swaminarayan.